India is now poised to acquire its first ever fifth generation fighter jet, the Russian built Su-57. Though the India is on the edge to finalize the deal with Russia over Su-57 rather than taking F-35 from America or J-20 from China. The world has three fifth generation fighter jets, including Russia's Su-57, America's F-35 and China's J-20. But why India opted for Russia built Su-57? There must be some strong reason behind this. So let's have a comparison of 5th generation fighter jets, Russian Su-57 and American F-35. We will begin this comparison with cost and production of both 5th generation aircraft, Su-57. Estimated unit cost of 35 to 40 million US dollars with lower operational cost. Production is limited with fewer than 40 units built so far by Russia. F-35 is expensive unit. The cost ranges from 80 to 110 million US dollars with high operational cost and a lifetime program cost exceeding $1.5 trillion. Over 1,000 units are in service globally with the plans over 2,400 in 2044 ensuring a robust supply chain. High cost and maintenance demands a significant drawbacks for F-35. The second part of comparison is weapons. Su-57 can carry up to 7.4 tons of weapons including air-to-air, air-to-ground and anti-ship missiles, as well as hypersonic missiles. Its internal base and external hardpoints allow a diverse and heavy weapon load, giving it an edge in offensive firepower for long-range engagements. F-35 can carry 2.5 ton weapons with a variety of air-to-air, air-to-ground mutations in internal base to maintain slith and with external hardpoints for additional payload. It has smaller weapon capacity compared to Su-57, but benefits from advanced and accurate mutations of NATO. Now let's compare the role and use of both the aircrafts. Su-57 is also designed as a multi-role stealth aircraft focused on air superiority, short-range airstrikes and defensive interceptions. F-35 is a multi-role stealth fighter designed from air-to-ground strikes, air superiority, electronic warfare and ISR. It emphasizes stealth, sensor fusion and network-centric warfare, making it a versatile platform. Comparison of engines. Su-57 is having twin engines. F-35 is having a single engine. Maximum speed. Su-57 has a maximum speed of 2,600 km per hour with a combat range of nearly 5,000 km. F-35 has a maximum speed of 1,931 km per hour with a combat range of 2,400 km. Maneuverability. Su-57. Its twin NPO Starum AL41F1 engines have thrust vectoring for super maneuverability, enabling complex aerial maneuvers and supersonic cruising without afterburners. This makes it better suited for air superiority and combat. F-35. It is designed for subsonic cruising with a limited super maneuverability, relying on stealth and BVR combat rather than dogfighting. It has single engine that offers good fuel efficiency but less thrust than twin engine designs. Range and combat radius. Su-57 long range, some sources says 3,500 km. F-35 shorter, less, optimized for stealth missions, greater emphasis on internal fuel plus mission type rather than long range endurance. Payload. Su-57 heavy payload capacity, internal plus external weapons, air-to-air, air-to-ground missiles, bombs, potential long ranges, hypersonic missiles. F-35 internal weapons base for stealth missions, external pylons for less stealthy configurations, precision guided bombs, BVR missiles, versatile payloads suitable for strikes and multi-role missions. In the battle of next generation air power, both fighters bring their own strength, but India's choice is about more than specs. It's about strategy, partnership and future reading. As India moves towards its 5th generation jet, one thing is clear, the race for air dominance has entered a new chapter.